Shit, what's up, homies? How we doing? Got a nano. It's pretty rough, I know. I gotta clean the tank. It's getting a little dirty, really dirty. And I know. I got softies, got leather, softies and leather mixed with some SPS. What the fuck am I doing? Well, I don't know what I'm doing, but they're surviving. I've had these SPS, acroporas, and bird nest, whatever that is, Montes. They have been thriving for the past 2 months now, so, I think I'm doing okay. Eventually I'll get rid of the leather or put these SPSs in the Evo. But right now they're starting to roam across the plates they're on. The frag plugs. When I bought them, you could see super glue around the bottom. Oh, sorry, I got a beer here. But yeah, you can see super glue around the bottom of them. Now they're growing over quite fine, and they're getting ready to start extending from the bottom. So I am pretty happy. Once I get the corals from this tank, in the other tank, I'll probably tear this tank down and restart it. I got some Bam Bam frags right there, and the rest of these are just miscellaneous. Pulled them off of some live rock that I bought at the store. But there's problems in this tank, and probably the best way to solve them is to just do a tank tear down. I got starfish that are messing with my zoas. See, one's closed right there. And got a lot of bristleworm. Sure, some of you might like bristleworms to aerate the sand. I don't like them very much. There's too many of them, so gotta do what I gotta do. Probably tear a tank down, or maybe a third tank. I don't know. Got a little MTS over here, or I'll end up with it at least, but I'm alright with it. I can't clean my glass right now because I actually use my magnet to make a frag rack, so I'll get one soon. But that's my tank, guys. No fish yet. Maybe at CMAS in a couple weeks now I'll pick up some clowns, but I'm not too sure yet. But thanks for watching.